Hello everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing fine. So I'm back with another rhyme. Are you all excited? So let's start. Welcome back to Learn Proverb from Hi Kids, Feather Cap. And our today's rhyme is Jack and Jill. Okay, so can you see this picture over here? In this picture, there are two children like you, a girl and a boy. And what is happening in the picture? They fall down. Look here, they fall down. So I rhyme, it's about them. He is Jack and she is Jill. He is Jack and Jill. So I will begin the rhyme and you all will sing after me. Let's start. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. So, we'll pause here and I will explain you the rhyme. So, I've told you that he is Jack and she is Jill. So they are went up the hill. They are going up the hill. For what they are going? ये क्यों जा रहे हैं ऊपर? ये जा रहे हैं वहां से वाटर लेने के लिए, ठीक है? To fetch a pail of water. ये वहां जा रहे हैं hill पर. Hill is like this. To fetch a pail of water. Okay. Now what happened? Jack fell down. पहले कौन गिरा है? Jack. Okay. Like this. Jack fell down. And then क्या हुआ? Jack broke his crown. Crown is this part. Okay. Jack broke his crown. And then what happened? Then Jill came tumbling after. Then Jill also came after Jack. Like this. Okay. So once again, I will sing the rhyme and you all will repeat after me. Let's start. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Very good. Clap for yourselves, everyone. Okay. So you all will practice this rhyme with your mama at your homes, and I will see you in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Happy learning. Take care.